Okay, quick question. What if you could instantly reclaim 3 hours of your week without working a single second faster? Seriously, just getting that time back. Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're breaking down a tool that is fundamentally shifting how we work, research, and learn. If you've ever felt like there just aren't enough hours in the day to get through your reading pile or build out your study guides, you are in exactly the right place. We're going to unpack 4 incredibly powerful time hacks using Google's NotebookLM that are designed to completely reclaim your lost time.
I want you to really imagine getting exactly 3 hours of your life back every single week. The catch? You don't get them back by typing faster or chugging more coffee or stressing yourself out. You get them back by fundamentally changing who, or rather what, is doing the heavy lifting for you.
Ask yourself this: what if an AI could read 100 pages of dense material for you in just seconds? What if it could build your presentations in minutes, turn incredibly boring documents into a super engaging audio experience, and even show you exactly where every single answer came from? Well, that is exactly what NotebookLM does. And in this explainer, we're breaking down 4 specific workflows that professionals, students, and creators are using right now to just totally transform their productivity.
All right, here's the first major time hack. Let's be honest, you often get handed these dense 50-page market reports or research papers or business docs that you absolutely need to understand. But literally nobody actually has the hours required to sit down and read them all line by line. It is a massive bottleneck. So NotebookLM's deep research feature steps in and analyzes all of them instantly. It just completely flips the script on bulk research. And you don't even need to be a tech genius to use it. You simply create a notebook and drop in your sources. We're talking PDFs, Google Docs, entire websites, and yes, even YouTube videos. You just drop them right in. Plus, if you're starting from absolute zero, deep research can actually go out, search, collect, and organize all that information for you.
Now, look at this scale of what happens next, because this is where the magic is. Instead of summarizing just one single document, the AI analyzes everything together. It finds the patterns, it highlights the contradictions, and it connects ideas across every single source you uploaded. Imagine uploading 20 different articles on AI. Instead of reading them one by one, you just ask, hey, what are the biggest AI trends mentioned across every source? And boom, you get one clean, perfectly cited answer. What normally takes hours is finished in literal minutes.
But what happens when you actually have to present that data? Picture this: your manager, or maybe your professor, needs a presentation tomorrow morning. You know the material, but staring at that blank screen and starting from scratch, it's pure agony. It wastes so much mental energy just trying to outline the thing. So, you open the Studio panel in NotebookLM, and it generates the entire structure for you instantly.
And you aren't just limited to presentations either. The Studio panel takes your raw data and instantly generates mind maps to visualize concepts, briefing documents for a big meeting, study guides and quizzes if you're prepping for an exam, or even chronological timelines. It basically takes your raw inputs and instantly molds them into whatever format you need to be productive today.
This workflow is just incredibly fast. Step 1, upload your project files. Step 2, click Presentation Outline. Within minutes, NotebookLM has created a complete slide structure. We're talking the introduction, the main ideas, the supporting points, and the key takeaways. Step 3, you literally just copy and paste that right into Google Slides or PowerPoint. You are instantly 80% done before you've even typed a single original sentence.
Okay, now we're getting to my absolute favorite feature. Let's say you have 100 pages to study for an exam or a huge meeting, but by the end of the day, screen fatigue is so real that you can't bear to look at a monitor for another second. So you use NotebookLM's audio overviews to turn all that text into an incredibly natural AI podcast. And I don't mean some robotic text-to-speech drone. I mean 2 AI hosts actively discussing your documents like a real engaging conversation. Guys, this is a massive lifestyle upgrade, because now you're entirely unchained from your desk. You can absorb dense, complex information while driving to work, walking the dog, cooking dinner, or hitting the gym. It takes the dead time in your day and turns it into active, screen-free learning. People are literally replacing their passive, mindless scrolling on social media with these AI-generated learning podcasts that are customized to their exact projects. And you aren't just stuck with one default setting. You can completely customize the style of this audio experience to fit exactly what you need. Need a quick rundown? Set it to brief. Want to hear the pros and cons of a new business proposal? Set it to debate or critique. It adapts the conversation to help you grasp the concepts effectively, making your learning incredibly focused.
But what if you just need one single piece of data?
Like you're writing a paper or an email, and you desperately need one specific quote or stat from your sources. Manually using Control F and searching through dozens of separate PDFs is a terrible, frustrating experience that completely derails your train of thought. So you just ask NotebookLM natural questions like, compare source A with source B, and you get instant answers with the exact proof attached.
And here is what makes this completely different from a standard AI chatbot. Zero hallucinations. When you ask a question, every single answer includes a citation. And when you tap that citation, NotebookLM jumps you directly to the exact sentence inside the original document. There is absolutely no AI guesswork. No endless scrolling to verify a fact. You always know exactly where the answer came from.
It creates this incredibly tight three-step superpower for researchers and students. You ask a natural question, you tap the citation to verify it instantly in the original text, and then, and here is the ultimate cheat code, you click Save to Notes. By saving these verified responses, NotebookLM starts building a highly organized, customized knowledge base for you. It stays linked to your original sources, which just accelerates all of your future research on that topic.
So let's bring this all together. NotebookLM is not just another chatbot trying to write things for you from scratch. Think of it as the ultimate organizational assistant. The goal here isn't to replace your knowledge, it's to help you organize it, synthesize it, and access it at lightning speed. Whether you're a student, a content creator, a business owner, or a researcher, implementing these 4 workflows is exactly how you get those 3 hours back every single week.
The technology is here, and as it gets more powerful every month, now is the absolute perfect time to jump in. So, which of these NotebookLM features are you going to try first? Are you going to generate a study podcast for your commute, or have it build your next presentation outline? Drop down and let us know in the comments right now. Because if AI can now read, analyze, and discuss our documents for us in seconds, the real question is, what are you going to do with all your newly found free time? If you found this explainer helpful in hacking your productivity, make sure to save it and share it with someone who desperately needs some time back in their week. Thanks for joining me on The Explainer, and keep learning.